Stop struggling with daily chores. Today on Smart Living, we're revealing 6 genius home inventions that will transform your kitchen and save you hours of work. You won't believe product number 5. First up, satisfy your sweet tooth with this DIY donut maker dispenser. This creative kitchen artifact is a dream for every home baker. Its simple, one-handed operation allows you to dispense perfect, uniform donut rings directly into the oil or onto a baking tray with zero mess. Made from food-grade, heat-resistant materials, it ensures your donuts look and taste bakery fresh every single time. It's a total game-changer for your party prep. Next, stay healthy on the go with this 380 ml mini electric juicer. This portable powerhouse is USB rechargeable, making it perfect for the gym, office, or travel. Just toss in your fruit, press the button, and enjoy a fresh smoothie or protein shake in seconds. It's compact, powerful, and a true essential for a smart, healthy lifestyle. Keep your sink area spotless with this multifunctional kitchen draining rack. This is the ultimate sink artifact for storing sponges, cloths, and detergents in one organized spot. The smart drainage design allows water to flow directly into the sink, keeping your cleaning tools hygienic and dry. No more messy countertops, just a professional, tidy kitchen environment. Upgrade your cooking game with this 1.7L electric multi-cooker. Perfect for small families or students, this smart mechanical cooker does it all. With its double-layer design, you can cook fluffy rice on the bottom while steaming delicious vegetables or dumplings on top simultaneously. The non-stick inner pot makes cleanup a breeze, and its compact size fits perfectly in any kitchen or dorm room. Stop wasting hours in the kitchen. This 16-piece professional vegetable chopper is here to revolutionize your meal prep. With multiple interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can slice, dice, grate, and shred any vegetable in seconds. It features an ergonomic handle for safety and a large container to catch everything, keeping your workspace clean. Prep like a pro and save time. Finally, keep your counters dry with these silicone drainage soap dishes. This set of 2 anti-splash mats is a hygienic essential for your sink, allowing water to flow directly into the drain. It prevents soap from getting soggy and keeps your bathroom or kitchen spotless. It's the perfect simple solution for a cleaner home. That's it for today's smart solutions. If you want to level up your home, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.